this right there, press F, right, to help frame it. It's going like this. It's easing out that. So instead, I'm gonna grab the handle, make it sloping down. Let's try it out. Go to frame 1, Alt and V to play it. Ooh, that's a bit fast. Let's see if we can work with this, yeah? So, we did that. Now, I want to explain what this is. From frame 22, right? In most students, right? What they'll do is, from here, immediately just go down the ramp. But I put a slight little slow down here to show weight. To emphasize weight. So 22, 23, 24, 25. 1, 2, 3. You also notice the rotation here, 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 here. It reads well. And the distance traveled from here to here. So it's a good amount. 1, 2, 3. In 3 frames, I traveled here, 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 here. Okay, 3 frames to frame 25. So I grab all of my controllers again, same workflow. Okay, and then middle mouse, click and drag. 1, 2, 3. Let go of frame 25, meaning the middle mouse. Hit S. Now I'm going to show at frame 25, let go of everything, grab this, right? I want to save this. Control Shift S, Control Shift S. I want to just save it as this. Your name, ball rolling down ramp, WIP01. This is what you should name it as. Save. Then I'm going to just grab ball control COG. I'm going to, at frame 25 now, pull down a bit, like that. Look underneath. I can do a little bit like that, just to show it's grounded, you know. So here, press F. Grab this, translate, ball control COG, right? Got right there. Left click and drag, like that. Grab this, do it like that. So this here is learning to control the curve. The curve dictates how smooth the behavior is. Right? Then, let's play it. Go all the way to the front, beginning, Alt V. See? Alright, good. Alt V to stop. Here, I want to rotate it. I click outside, I grab my spin all. As you can see, there's that keyframe. This keyframe wouldn't be here if I had not selected all the controllers, okay? So grab the spin all, here that is, see? Hold Shift, left click, drag, so it's rotating like so. And this, I need to grab the handle and do that, so it looks like that. Rotate Z. Alright, press F. Just want to make this nice. That, see? Rotate Z, meaning this. You know what I mean? Anyway, go back to the beginning, Alt V. See? I think it should rotate down some more. Go back to frame 25. Always know where you are. Grab this, hold Shift, middle mouse, drag it down a bit more. See, so we get that trajectory like that. See, and you rotate the handle a bit like so. Go all the way back, Alt V. See, this is how you're building the animation, the movement. right? Then you'll notice, right, goes down the ramp, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 frames, only 12 frames. A lot of students will stack like, I don't know, like 50, like almost 20 frames, 18 frames, when all you need is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Even with this amount of distance traveled. I'm trying to show and teach in terms of reading, gauging, and estimating the distance versus frames traveled or frames needed. Like that. So that's frame 37. Alright. So, same workflow. Click outside. Select everything. Right, press 6. Right. And what I'm going to do is after I select everything, okay, go to frame 25, middle mouse, click and drag everything, middle mouse, go to frame 37, let go of that middle mouse, hit S. See? It's the same thing, it just does this stupid crap sometimes, or a lot of times, most of the times. I'm just going to click outside. Now all I'm going to do is just grab my ball control, COG, okay. Then I'm going to drag it forward. I'm going to drag this down to here. Zoom in, look inside, and push it forward, push it up. Like that, see? Make sure there's good contact right here. Also this corner, right, is a solid point of transition. So it's just the landmark of the ramp tells me that this is the place to be, right, for the important contact zone. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, well, okay. So, click outside. Let me just check something. This is interesting. Oh yeah, here. The Translate X for my ball control, COG, Translate X. Grab this handle, swoop it down a bit. Like that, so it's a steady going down this way. I know that the curve is going up while the motion is going down. So when you're first learning, it may feel jarring, you know, it's like, you know, almost feels like your brain is being gaslit, you know? That's your brain is being screwed with, you know? But to just understand things, right? Shit. This here, right? Frame, translate X, right? Here we are. Frame 25, frame 25, 13, right? 13 point and some change. That's the distance. 13 units it traveled, okay? So it traveled 13 units. These are the units. See the squares? Okay? From here to here, it's 13. It may not look like it, but it is, you know? Like that. But you notice it's swooping down, right? Well, go to Translate Y for the up and down, see? Undo that. And I'm gonna grab here, while in the middle of the ramp, here, select that handle like so, left click, drag it up like so, zoom in using the front view, okay, like that. Like that. Just gotta be a little bit patient with it. See this line? Alright. Maybe press press 6. Click outside. Let's see how it looks like. Go to the beginning, Alt V as in Victor. So it looks kind of stupid looking right now. See, it floats. When this happens, just stay calm. This here, ball control COG, right? Because that drives everything. Translate Y for that. Press F, zoom in. Here it is. This here, this handle, I'm gonna pull it down a bit, like that. See? That's how you get good control. Because most students, they'll literally do this. Add frames, like that. But you don't do that. Now, if you don't need to. This is learning to control, manipulate your puppet via the animation curves. And this happens. See? And you may, it's almost looks counterintuitive, because if I pull this down, right? I wonder what happens here and here. See? See this? There's a bit of a gap still. What you can also do is grab it like that, break the tangents. If you don't see the breaking tangents, just stretch it out. You see right there. Bang. Now it's broken tangents. Zoom in. Let's check it out. This here. Now since it's broken, right, I can grab this, see, and have even more control without adding keyframes. This here, you know what, break it. Grab this handle, something like that. See? That, nice. Then let's check out these. Alt and use the hotkeys like that. See, not good. Which is happening here. Just grab this handle over here, right? Frame 28. The handle. See, it's broken. Pull it down a bit. This here, no good. Grab this handle, break it. Like so. Uh-oh. Let's see what it looks like on translate Y or translate X. Translate X, the forward movement. See this here? So this one too, you know what, break it. This one here, break it. This here, with it broken, just want to test this out. I think I'm gonna grab this, just this handle, and use this linear tangent. This here, press F, also, it's like this, just this, linear tangent. This just to try it out, right? Then translate Y, same thing here, just this handle, linear tangent, right? Go forward here using the greater than less than only sign. Down here, grab this, just this handle, linear tangent, straight down. Go to the beginning, zoom out, Alt V to play it. See? The trick is linear tangent. But I want to at least show you the trial and error process, you know, breaking, making the handle smooth and all that stuff. See? Alright, that was good. What is this? Oh, that's a spin all. Time to work on that now. Spacebar, spacebar. Click outside, zoom in, grab this. Right? Frame 37. Let's see how many times I spun. This here, frame 37. I spun it negative 1,454. Okay. So spin all. Here's that key, 37. Here I can just type in negative 1,400. I don't know, was it 64 or something? Or 54? So just put 1,450 negative rotations. Bang. Hit F. Frame it. This is it. Same thing here. I think I want to grab both of these. I want to break the tangents. Break the tangents. Grab this handle, just this handle, linear. I'm just experimenting. Grab this handle, linear. See what that does. I'm gonna go to somewhere around here. Alt 5 to get rid of the shaded, wireframe shaded. Alt V as in Victor. Oh, I forgot one thing. Channel box. You see this what's going on? Oh, ball control COG. Ball controls. Let go of this P. Because now when I play it, the controllers won't show when I'm playing the animation. That way it's less distracting. I'm just playing and looking. Okay, so I'm gonna go to here. Right, Alt V to stop the play. Alt and V. I think I want frame 22, spin all, rotate Z, select that keyframe, press F. I want to spin a little bit more. Press E as in Edward, rotate X, rotate Z. Right, here it is, frame 22. Hold shift, middle mouse, drag it down a bit. Like so. See? Grab this handle, press F, right, zoom in on it, grab that handle, that's frame 25, this handle, hit that, like so. Go to here, let's play it. Click outside so I don't move anything. Something feels, yeah, you know what? For me, I want this here, right, to be more. The moving hold, right? See how it pulls back and it holds there a bit. Moving hold. On the translate X here, press F, zoom in, right? Alt and right mouse. And here we are, here. Grab that handle, just that one handle, pull it down. Grab that handle, pull it down. So it's more of a pull. See? even with the spin all, right? Frame 22, I want to pull down more. So frame 22 and 25. 22 and 20 and 25, these two, which is here and here, grab both of them, rotate Z, spin all, this guy right there, hold shift, middle mouse, carefully drag it down a bit, like that, something like that. 25, right, go to frame 25, I'm just gonna grab this guy right here, just this guy, frame 25, give it more of a rotation, hold shift, middle mouse, drag it down a bit, like that. Before, after, just a tad bit more, right? Click outside, zoom out, go to the beginning, Alt V,